Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be drawing a bird using only basic geometric shapes. Check this out. For this project, you can use pencils, paint, crayons, or markers, or you can get to combine them all to create your artwork. Let's start off remembering and practicing the basic geometric shapes that we're using for these projects. Those are the circle, the square, the triangle, and the rectangle. You can practice doing the shapes at any time and practice coloring within the lines with different colors and different materials, because practice makes perfect, and that's the whole point, that you get to practice how to use these geometric shapes, how to color within the lines, and how to little by little master the techniques of tracing, perfect lines, either curvy lines or straight lines, so you can later on use them to our next big step, which will be the organic shapes. Okay, these are the geometric shapes, and eventually we're going to move on to the organic shapes. It is a wonderful exercise for you to get your shapes in shape. And now we're going to move on to creating our bird out of the basic or some basic geometric shapes. We're going to place and position the paper in the portrait position, orientation, I should say. And we're going to move on to trace the circles that you see and the triangles that I'm tracing right now. This one is for the wings right now, and I think that was for the tail, and two more for the legs. This is now another fun part. We're gonna get to color within the lines. Make sure that you practice doing this. It's a wonderful exercise, a wonderful way for you to gain control of your muscles. Your fine motor skills are going to develop wonderfully if you follow these directions, and if you do these type of activities, and before you know it, you will be writing beautiful letters, you will be tracing fantastic numbers, and of course you're going to be doing and creating amazing art. So I chose yellows and oranges, but you're more than welcome to use and choose your own colors. Have fun! And there it is. This is the bird I created using only geometric shapes. I hope you have fun drawing, creating, and practicing the basic geometric shapes just like I did, and I hope to see you next time.